guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm so excited that you're back. Sorry for my voice. It's late at night and apparently my voice has decided to leave my body. So excited for a new video. I'm gonna take you guys around. This is my upstairs living room and dining room combined. It's like a formal living room and a formal dining room. We do have a dining room downstairs, but it's where everybody eats. The kids eat breakfast, and if you've seen my living room tour, those chairs are gray, and these ones I do not want to be messed up, so they were brought up here. So my table currently is from American Furniture Warehouse, including the chairs, and I like when everything is simple and clean. And I'm gonna take you guys around and show you where I got everything. The chargers, 2 of them at the end of the tables are from Dollar Tree. Yes guys, you can get things for cheap. You do not need to break the bank. And these 4 ones in the middle are from Goodwill. They were a set of 4. I love them. They're very sturdy, heavy chargers. My center, the table there, I believe it can also be an entertainment piece and also be an entryway table. It was actually my entryway table downstairs. I brought it up here, and yes, I'm not done guys. I just need to add some things in there when we want to entertain and have people over, so I don't need to keep going back downstairs and back up. And yeah, also from American Furniture Warehouse, and this video is not sponsored by them. I just ended up finding everything that I liked there. My mirror on the wall is from Home Goods, and guys, everything that is from Home Goods, I'm gonna try not to mention it because most of the things here are from Home Goods and American Furniture. I know, right? I just like to get my things. If I find something I like somewhere, I just get it, and that's it. And guys, seeing that carpet in the back over there kind of bothers me, but we're getting ready to just add some chairs there and having a movie theater, so please do not be upset by just the rug just standing there by itself. So this is the living room, and I'm gonna tell you guys what everything is here. And yeah, let's start by the chairs. I got, I believe, 4 chairs from American Furniture Warehouse, the Ascent chairs. I just love so much, so much. My table is very popular table here on YouTube and Instagram, but I didn't even know it was popular. I just liked it. I got it from American Furniture Warehouse. And yeah, you don't need to buy everything so expensive to be luxurious. These nesting tables, very inexpensive. They came in a set of 3 inside, and I believe they will let them like $50. And yeah, let me guys take you guys around here. And here, this flower arrangement is from Home Goods. My pillows, the golden white ones, are from Home Goods, I apologize. And the white ones there are from Home Goods as well. My flower, guys, is from Home Goods. And these candle holders, I need to add candles. And the day I filmed this video, guys, I just had purchased them. I wanted to show you guys the price. It was $1.99. You do not need to break the bank to purchase some things. I'm going to remove the sticker, but I purposely left it there to show you guys how much it costs. And I love the rustic look on there. And these pictures on the wall, I think portrait or canvas, whatever you call them, are from, I believe they're from no, it's not from Home Goods or American Furniture this time. I believe they're from Ross. They came in a set of 2, guys. Really like them. And one is cricket, which I will fix. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the overview. And sorry guys for the light. I decided to turn all the light in upstairs because I filmed at nighttime when my kids are not yelling or bothering me. So I'm gonna let you guys actually enjoy the video, and if you have any questions, please let me know, and I will tell you where I got anything from. And yeah, again, please do not forget to subscribe, thumbs up the video, and if you wish, please do share. God bless you guys. Have a great day.